Welcome to AutoCAD Designing. This is the SolidWorks 3D modeling, exercise number 35. We make this 3D model in minimum and simple steps. Let's start. Start the part drawing. We will make a 3D model help of this diagram. At the start, we will select the front plane and make this all profile with the given dimensions. Then extrude this. Then we will make this profile on the side face and extrude it with the given dimension. Next, we will be done with this rib part. Our 3D model should be completed. Let's start modeling. Select the front plane for the sketch. First, we make this profile with a rectangle, 52 by 10. Take center rectangle tool, and start to draw with the origin point. Put the 10 mm width and 52 mm length of the rectangle. Now draw the outer rectangle 100 by 24. Take corner rectangle tool, and get tracking reference from this corner point. Draw the rectangle in this direction. Put the 24 mm width and 100 mm length of the rectangle. Now set this dimension 24 mm. Take Smart Dimension tool, and set dimension between these two edges of both rectangles, 24 mm. Also, confirm that this dimension should be 24 mm. That's fine. We cannot change this dimension. Now draw these two squares of 12 mm. Take corner rectangle tool, and draw from this corner point to in this direction. Put the 12 mm width and 12 mm long. Draw one square of 12 mm at the opposite corner. Like this. Our sketch is done. We require just a middle profile, so we do not waste time on trimming. Take extruded boss base tool and select this profile. Extrude this any direction as you like. Enter the extruding value 160 mm. See the preview and click on OK. Now we make this profile. Select this face for the sketch. Take straight slot tool and start to draw approximate on this edge to the upside. Enter the 42 mm length of the slot and 60 mm width of the slot. Take Smart Dimension tool and set dimension between slot axis and this edge of the solid. This dimension should be 30 mm. Take Circle tool and draw with this center point of the arc. Put the diameter 30 mm. Take Line tool and joint these endpoints of the arc, like this. Select Extrude tool. Here we are required to select this profile for extruding. Switch the direction. Enter the extrude value 76 mm. Confirm the preview and click on OK. Now we make this rib. Here we are required to draw a rib at the middle of the object. That's for, we select right side plane for the sketch. Take the line tool and start to draw a line from this corner point. For the next point of the line, we find the tangent snap on this circular part. Escape the command. Go to the Feature tab and select the Rib tool. See line sketch is automatically detected. Make sure the rib direction arrow toward the object. And confirm the rib built on both sides of the line. Enter the 12 mm width of the rib. And click on OK. Our rib built is successful. Take Filleting tool and take approximate radius value 2.5. Select the filleting edges as shown in the diagram. Our 3D model is completed. Apply any appearance for this model, as you like or as per your requirement. I hope all steps are you understood. Keep practice to make this model. If you have any questions, so comment to me. As soon as possible I'll answer you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next exercise video. Have a nice day.